Particles are found in all atoms. Electrons are negatively charged particles. There are two other particles called protons and neutrons. Protons are positive and neutrons stay neutral. Gamma rays, UV rays, and X-rays all travel in a wave-like behavior. Each wave is divided into 3 sections. The first is called the crest. The crest is the highest point on the wave. The lowest part of the wave is called the trough. The line that runs through the middle of the wave is called the origin. The wave amplitude is the height from the crest to the origin, and the frequency can be found by the amount of wavelengths to pass a given point in 1 second. All atoms emit light when excited by electricity. Electrons have 2 energy levels. One is the ground state, which is the lowest possible energy level. Electrons that are at 1 or more quanta above the ground state are excited. In 1905, Albert Einstein won a Nobel Prize for explaining this theory. The formula for finding energy is known as Planck-Einstein formula, which is energy equals Planck's constant times frequency. To calculate the energy of a wave with a frequency of 2.11 times 10 to the 11th power, you plug in Planck's constant, which is 6.63 times 10 to the negative 34th power, and the frequency into Planck's Einstein formula to get 1.38 to the negative 22nd power. Electron clouds identify the main energy level of the orbital. There are 7 energy levels for an atom. Primary levels roughly correspond to the periods of the periodic table. Orbital of the same primary level but different shapes are called sublevels. Sublevel shapes: S is sphere, T is dumbbell, D is clover, and F is daisy. The first number is the primary energy level. The letter is the sublevel. The subscript is the number of electrons in the sublevel. The sublevels are also correspond to blocks on the periodic table. Neon is a noble gas, meaning all electrons are filled. Orbital notation is a graphic representation of electron configuration. Electrons in the same orbital must be opposite spins. Orbitals of the same level must be occupied by one electron before getting a second one.